How to make the perfect cup of coffee. If you love coffee as much as I do, strive to make the perfect cup in your home. Here are some of my tips for getting a great cup of coffee every time. If you're a serious coffee drinker, then you'll understand how important it is to have good coffee anytime you want it or need it. You are going to need a few things, like vanilla syrup, 12-ounce glass, a jar with regular milk, 2 shot glass, coffee cover, coffee ginger, and an espresso machine. Step number 1. You're going to need 10 ounces of regular milk. Step number 2. We are going to apply 1 ounce of vanilla syrup in a shot glass. For the third step, you will empty the shotness into the container. Fourth step. In the coffee ginger, we place a portafilter with approximately 19 grams of coffee. Fifth step. We connect the portafilter holder in the espresso machine. Step number 6. We use 2 shot glass for the extraction of 2 ounces of coffee. Once the coffee is extracted, pour into the 12-ounce glass the shots. Place the jar in the lancet of the machine and wait until the milk is hot. Last step. Step number 9. Pour the 40 milk into the 12 ounces glass and then prepare the presentation of our coffee. Once it's done, cover it with coffee cover, and there you have a perfect cup of coffee.